Hello students! Today we're going to learn about documentary Amazing Birds in the Forest. Today we're going to talk about Golden Pheasant. Golden Pheasant. Students, let's read our vocabulary. Known, known. Dense, dense. Forest, forest. Speed, speed. Dark, dark. Miles, miles. Students, let's review our vocabulary. Known, dense. Forest, speed. Dark, miles. Students, let's do our activity. Rearrange the letters. We're going to rearrange the letters. Number 1. What is the correct word for number 1? Number 1 is known. Number 2. What is the correct word for number 2? For number 2, it's dense. Number 3. What is the word for number 3? Number 3 is forest. Students, what is the correct word for number 4? The correct word for number 4 is speed. For number 5, what is the correct word for number 5? The correct word for number 5 is dark. Students, what is the correct word for number 6? The correct word for number 6 is miles. Students, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.